Do you ever feel like your brain is foggy, forgetful, struggling to focus? It might be leaky brain syndrome, a hidden threat that's slowly eroding your cognitive function. In this video, we'll expose the causes of this dangerous condition and reveal how you can protect your brain. Imagine a protective barrier around your brain, shielding it from harmful substances. Now picture that barrier developing tiny holes, allowing toxins to seep in. That's leaky brain syndrome, and it's more common than you might think. Here are the top culprits. 1. Neurotoxins. These harmful chemicals are everywhere, in cleaning products, personal care items, even our food. They attack brain cells and weaken the blood-brain barrier, leading to leaky brain syndrome. Chronic inflammation. Inflammation is like a fire in the brain, damaging cells and disrupting function. This can be caused by poor diet, lack of exercise, and even stress. 3. Gut health imbalance. Believe it or not, your gut health is closely linked to your brain health. An unhealthy gut can lead to inflammation and increased permeability of the blood-brain barrier. The consequences of leaky brain syndrome can be devastating, leading to memory loss, brain fog, difficulty concentrating, mood swings, increased risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Want to learn more about protecting your brain from leaky brain syndrome and enhancing cognitive function? Visit the link in the description to discover a natural solution that can help you stay sharp and focused. Don't let leaky brain syndrome steal your memory and mental clarity. Take control of your brain health today.